Good morning P3. So today we are going to start exercise 2D from question number 3. Consider the equation y is equal to 2x plus 9. Copy and complete the table. You just need to complete this table by putting the given values of x in the given equation, and then you will get the three different values of y. And then in part 2 we will plot the given points on the graph paper. But for this graph paper you just need to follow the given scale, which is 1 unit on the x-axis and 1 centimeter to represent 4 unit on the y-axis. Similarly, in part B, now the equation is y is equal to 1 by 4x plus 2. Similarly, you will put the different values of x in the given equation and you will get the different values of y. And then in part 2, similarly, we will draw the graph of the given coordinates on the same graph paper. So, and in part C, hence solve the simultaneous equations. These two equations are given here and we are supposed to solve these equations. So let's start the solution of question number 3. So the equation is y is equal to 2x plus 9. We will put the different values of x, then we will get minus 7, 9 and 17. Then the coordinates becomes minus 8, minus 7, 0, 9, 4, 17. And then part 2 we will draw on graph. So how you will draw? You just need to plot the given coordinates on the graph paper. So let's see. But you need a graph paper. Scale, we will take the x values minus 8 to positive 4 and 1 centimeter to 1 unit on the x-axis and 1 centimeter to 4 units on the y-axis. Clear? As you can see that I have given 1 centimeter to 4 units. Similarly, 1 centimeter to 4 units, 4, 8, 12, 16, 20. Now the first coordinate is minus 8, minus 7. So how you will plot minus 8, minus 7? Here is minus 8. So this is minus 8 and this is minus 8 and we need minus 7. So this is exactly here. Okay. Minus 8, minus 7. The first coordinate. Now second one is 0, 9. X is 0 but y is 9. So this is right here. 0, 9 and then 4, 17. So this is 4 and here is 17. So 4, 17. Now we have plotted all the three given coordinates of equation 1. Now what you have to do, you just need to draw a line. Okay, you just need to draw a straight line by joining all the three given points. So in this way you will join all the three given points and this is the line of equation y is equal to 2x plus 9. Clear? Now we have already solved equation number 2 and we got the value 0, 2, 3. So now the coordinates become minus 8, 0, 0, 2, 4, 3. Now next step is to draw all the given points on a sheet of graph paper. So first one is minus 8, 0 means x is 0 but x is minus 8 but y is 0. So this is minus 8, 0. Now the second one is 0, 2. So 0, 2 is exactly here. X is 0 but y is 2. And then last one is 4, 3. 4 and then 3. So similarly we will draw we will join all the three given points and then let's see what we will get. So in this way we will join the points minus 8, 0, 0, 2 and 4, 3 and then by constructing a straight line by joining all the three given points with a straight line we will get the two lines intersect at point minus 4, 1 where x is equal to minus 4 and y is equal to 1. So this is the solution where two simultaneous linear equations on the graph intersect at minus 4, 1. So the solution is x is equal to minus 4 and y is equal to 1. So in this way you will draw the graph of question number 3. Now In part C, you are supposed to solve the given equations 2x minus y is equal to minus 9 and x minus 4y is equal to minus 8. From 1, you will get y is equal to 2x plus 9. You just need to convert the two given equations in the form y is equal to mx plus c, and then you will get this. And similarly, by solving equation number 2, you will get y is equal to 1 by 4x plus 2. You just need to convert the given equation in the form y is equal to mx plus c. Now from A part 2, this is A part 2, the graphs intersect at the point minus 4, 1. So the solution is x is equal to minus 4 and y is equal to 1. So that's it. This is question number 3 of exercise 2D.